Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage decrease worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we have some problems and we're going to work out the percentage decrease of an original amount. So basically we're presented with an original amount and we're told that this original amount is decreased by a certain percentage. So after the decrease, we are asked to find the new amount, which will be less than the original amount because it is a decrease. Now there is a lesson on this topic if you need help. So on the next slide, when you see the link, just click on the link. It'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's see what we're asked to do. Answer each of the following questions. Number 1, decrease $490 by 20%. Number 2, decrease $640 by 25%. Number 3, decrease $990 by 33.33%. Number 4, an athlete normally runs about 240 kilometers per week. The next week, the distance was decreased by 12.5%. What distance did he run after the 12.5% decrease? Number 5, the population of a school at the start of a particular year was 960 students. If there was a 6.25% decrease in the number of students throughout the year, what was the new population? And the last one, the population of a town at the start of a particular year was 1,800 people. If there was a 13% decrease in the number of people throughout the year, what was the new population? So this video has presented a single worksheet where we can practice working out percentage decrease. So we work out the amount of the decrease, we subtract that from the original amount to get the new amount. And don't forget, on the next slide there is a link if you need help. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples.